Hello, so in today's video I'm going to talk about Boom 1000 index price action analysis and the next big wave move that will help us to catch a very nice spike of over 3 to 4,000 pips, gallantly trading the boom and crash market from the highest time frame down to the lowest time frame. So let's dive in now. So looking at Boom 1000 index, you can see Boom 1000 index have been bullish for the last 2 months. It have been bullish for August and July. August and June has been bullish. You can see this is June, July, and this is August. July and August have been bullish, but June has been a bearish movement. So what I want you to understand is that since these 2 months are bullish, we need to also anticipate that this next wave candle will also be bullish. But before then, let's take a look at the weekly time frame and see what is going on. So if you look at the weekly time frame, you can see there was a huge doji here. This is more of a gravestone doji, or I should say shooting star. You see, market was able to start last week from 17,777 up to 18,583, but market give up that gains down up to this level. So now from the price action market, you can see where these green lines are, we have a zone here. You can come to the 4 hours time frame. You can see market has a zone. You see market has a zone. It's touching this zone for the first time, trying to test it for the second time, and also touch it for the second time, try to touch it for the third time. So technically, if you look at the weekly chart, you can see we're in a bullish market structure. You can see this is a bullish market. Market have been producing higher highs, higher low, higher highs, higher low, higher highs, higher low. See, just all of a sudden market break below this low. So that is the retracement. So after this retracement, markets was trying to look for any possible price of higher to continue the uptrend, because this is a good pullback. You can see this is a pullback. This is a pullback. Market has trended from this high up to this low. This is a pullback. But what I want you to understand is that if you look at the weekly candle, this last week candle, you see this week candle did not break above the highs. For this bullish momentum to continue, even though we have a buy signals currently, you can see we have a buy signal. This is a signal we kept in our VIP group, 17997. It's a nice signal we gave. So you see, this is a signed VIP signal we gave. This is it. This is a signed VIP signal. See, this is a signed VIP signal. We entered the market on the 3rd of September. You can see that's when we entered the market. We gave the signal. The entry level was around, this is the entry level, 17997, and stop loss was 17697, and it was a signed VIP signal. Please take note, any signal that is not signed like this, any signal that is not signed here is not my VIP signal. Whenever I'm giving my VIP signals, I always make sure I give a signed VIP signal. What I mean by signed VIP signals, any signal that I gave out myself and also gave the entry price and the stop loss, including the take profit for this season, that is what I call a signed VIP signal. I've already signed that signal. Me and my team has already analyzed the market, understand the market structure before I come and give you the signal live. So this is the signed VIP signals. Market has hit our second take profit, which is over 400 pips. Market is trying to target our next TP, which is TP3, with within 600 pips target. So that is the entry price level. But before then, to continue, for this uptrend to continue, I want price to come and retest this high for me, or break above it. I want to see a pure price action market coming into this zone and break above it for the uptrend to continue. for now, for this week, because of this doji, I want to see what will happen here. If price was able to break, you see, market has been forming a small range here. Let's go to the daily time frame. You'll see the range carefully. See, this is the range. You can see range, high, low, high, low, high, low. So market has produced 3 consecutive lows and 3 consecutive highs. So this is more of a range market. Price is what? Price is consolidating. This is a consolidation phase, and that's why you see we only buy when market reach this low and we target these highs. When market reach these highs, if there is a price action that break above it, we will target a buy position. But if there is no any price action that breaks above that high, we'll look for a sell signal downward. That is what I want to understand, and that is how the analysis will go. So now looking at the weekly time frame, you can see on the weekly time frame, daily time frame, this is more of a short time pullback. There was a whoosh downtrend here, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. So market has come break below and create this low. Market has break below this low, and market is now ranging. So clearly, as far as I'm concerned, looking at the high time frame, I want to see this market breaks above this green line. These two green lines I mark here as a zone. It has a high here, another high here, and also another high here. So market has touches this high 3 places. So that is what I want to understand. And for the lowest point, you can see market have had a low here, another low, and another low here. So this is more of a breakthrough. So for this uptrend to continue, I want price to break above this 18583 price level in order to continue the uptrend. And if that one is succeed, you can see from that point, market will be able to target these highs, which is around 5,000 to 4,000 pips clearly, which is around 5,000 to 4,000 pips from the entry price level we have here at 17,051 to 21,534. So that is what I want to understand with Boom 1000. So let's go to the 4 hours chart, 4 hours chart, and let's see what the market is still doing. You can see, as I told you, market has created low, high, another low. See, another high here, another low, another high, another low. So market is currently ranging even on the 4 hours time frame. Market is currently ranging and is giving us what we want. So this is the entry price level I told you we give, though we even lock profit. This is it. We have locked our profit and we are allowing the market to move so that we should be able to see what is going to happen with Boom 1000 index. And also I want you to understand, when you are trading the Boom 1000 using lower time frames, please make sure you are trying to analyze what the higher time frames are doing, so that you should not caught by a short move on the lower time frame, which is different from the normal market driver perspective. You see, market just spiked now. Price just spiked. You see, this is it. This is more of a change of character. So this market want to continue the trend up. We have just 4 minutes for this candle to close for the day. And if the candle closed for the day, as I told you, even though the candle did not break above the previous day candle, but there was a huge rejection. Look at it. There was a huge rejection. Price was able to come to up to this level, but price push up higher. So if we have any pure price action confirmation that break through above the close of this yesterday's candle, we continue the trend upward. And that's why I told you I want to see a price action come here, break above this region that I marked for the uptrend to continue upward. And it will be a massive movement, because we are going to target 3,000 to 4,000 pips, catching spike with Boom 1000 index. And even if you are trading with a small account of $5 to $10, you should be able to use 0.01 or 0.02 lot size and make sure you get what you want from this market. So coming down to the lower time frame, for those that are scalping, especially the day traders, for the traders, always look for a potential buy entry within the 4 hours chart, 4 hours chart or 1 hour chart, which in my next video I'm going to give you a special Boom 1000 index or I should say a special boom and crash 1 hour spike scalping, which I'm going to give you a 1 hour scalping strategy that any boom and crash trader can use, that should be able to catch spike consistently. Like here, I get this entry using this 1 hour strategy. I also get this entry using this 1 hour strategy. I also get another entry here using the 1 hour scalping strategy. So my next video will be about insane boom and crash 1 hour strategy. You are going to use only 1 hour and lower time frames for your entry time frame to execute your trade. This is boom and crash club. So please, if you are finding any value on this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like this video, share this video with our loved ones so that we should be able to catch the views together. And for those that want to join our VIP signal group, kindly check the link in the description, because we always post free VIP signal group in our Telegram channel, one daily, and that is what you need to understand. So as I told you, whenever you are trading the Boom 1000 index, if you are trading on the lower time frames, please make sure you are understanding what the current market condition is doing on the higher time frames. Somebody like me, that I love to trade on 1 hour chart, 30-minute chart, or even 15-minute, as the market might be. Like here, this is another good entry point as I got that day using that our boom and crash 1 hour scalping strategy, or boom and crash 1 hour candle, because that strategy will be a nice strategy, because you are going to use, or you are going to need only 1 hour candle. The strategy is currently based on 1 hour, so I'm going to release the strategy after this video. But today I'm highlighting to you what is the next possible move update, what is the bigger movement for Boom 1000 index that will make us catch a lot of fips trading the boom and crash. And you can see our target is very big here, up to 21. All this place must be filled up with market condition. And if this week succeeded to break above this high, by next week we should be able to see 1000 index heading up, going higher, higher to catch spike with Boom 1000 index. This is Boom and Crash Forex Club. And you can see today's candle has closed just now. You can see market has started forming another candle. You can see, so this candle closed red. So I'm anticipating this candle, this candle that just start now, I'm anticipating the candle to break above the highs of this previous candle in order to succeed and break above the highs to continue this uptrend market. This is Boom and Crash Club. So please, if you have any question, please don't hesitate to ask me. Check my Telegram channel, check my WhatsApp link in the description. You can be able to contact me anytime you want, so that I will be able to answer anything you want me to answer regarding the next move on Boom 1000 index, and also what is the current market condition on Boom 1000 index. But all uptrend is highly effective, but currently market is trading in a range position for almost 2 weeks now. You can see, if you even go to the weekly chart, you see not even up to 2 weeks, for almost 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. For the last 7 weeks, Boom 1000 had been ranging. And if you go to the higher time frame, you can see, go to the higher time frame, market has been dancing around this area. This is July candle, and this is August candle, and they are all bullish candle. So anticipating another bullish candle to break these highs up and continue the uptrend higher, and that is why we are targeting this huge amount of piece, which is the next big wave move for Boom 1000 index. Because even looking at the main market structure, market is typically in an uptrend, even on the monthly chart. Even on the weekly chart, you should be able to understand that market is in a serious uptrend. You see, market has been producing higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. So what you just need to understand, wait patiently, wait for market to break above these highs, get any bullish price action confirmation, and we drive our market off higher into the next wave of Boom 1000 index, which will target us over 3 to 5,000 pips gallantly. Even if you are trading with a small account, you should be able to make good profit. Even if you are trading the big account, you will also make a good profit. So nice to have you now. See you in my next video. What I repeat, in my next video, I'm going to give you a free boom and crash 1 hour candle strategy, which you are going to use 1 hour to catch spike every 1 hour using that awesome boom and crash. And the strategy is very simple, only two time frames, the 1 hour time frame and your entry time frame. Very simple and easy to follow. It can be used for any day trader, and it can also be used for any swing trader or even those that are scalping the market all the time. This is Boom and Crash Forex Club, and nice to have you now. See you in my next video. Bye.